How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing my first gear review, first piece of gear review. Let's get right to it. I have the Digitech Death Metal distortion pedal. I bought this thing for about $45 off of Amazon, I believe, about a year ago. And it's done me nicely. It's a pretty good sounding distortion pedal. If we take a look inside here, we have the Death Metal distortion pedal. On this, you have your main input right here. You have your indicator light right here. You have your first output for your amp right here. And then you have a second output if you want to go straight to a mixer and not to an amp. On the top here, we have level knob, low, mid, and high for equalization. And this is just for volume. It's a toggle switch with a true bypass. Underneath here, if you pop this part off, there is actually a compartment for a 9-volt battery instead of the standard power supply. It goes up here, and I can show you guys what that looks like. So if you just take something and push it in there and pop it off, this part comes off, and you have the adapter for your 9-volt battery right here, and it just sits right in there. And then once you put a battery in, you pop this part right back on, and it goes back, and it's just your standard toggle switch. This pedal in the box, it also comes with a couple of things. Get all the rest out here. Here we go. You have a little Digitech catalog that talks about all their different pedals that they make, and they advertise them all. And you got some artists and some different types of pedals. Let's come back to our page here with the Death Metal distortion pedal. For our sound test, they have 4 preset kind of settings on here, and I'm going to show you guys what each one of these sounds like, along with a little bit of playing with the volume, low, mid, and high knobs, so you can get an idea of what each one does and what it sounds like. You also get your Death Metal distortion pedal user manual. It shows you all the steps and everything, how to use it. You also get a congratulations on your purchase type of BS card, and you also get product registration card for your mail-in warranty. Alright guys, let's check out what this thing sounds like, because that's what you're all here for, right? Alright, you guys, so that'll do it for the review of the Digitech Death Metal pedal. My opinions on it, it sounded okay. I mean, I was playing through a Squire 1x8" speaker, so maybe that's why it couldn't handle the low tones very well. But I feel like it has some potential with its mids and its highs. But, I mean, my main problem is the lows, and I really like that kind of low, chunky tone. But maybe it's just because of my speaker. I don't know. If you guys hear otherwise, tell me down below in the comment section. And thank you for watching. And I hope this review of the Digitech Death Metal pedal was helpful for you. And maybe it'll inform you on your decision of whether to buy one or not.